Give your dog the gift of vibrant health and unwavering happiness with delicious, homemade meals. Preparing your dog's food at home isn't just about saving a few bucks. It's a powerful way to control exactly what goes into their body, boosting their overall well-being from the inside out. Forget those mystery ingredients. Homemade dog food allows you to select high-quality, recognizable ingredients, ensuring your furry friend gets precisely the nutrients they need. This means fewer digestive issues, a shinier coat, and more energy for playtime. Let's get started with a simple, balanced recipe first. Choose your protein-lean meats like chicken, turkey, or lean beef are excellent choices. Cook them thoroughly circumflex gyros. Boiling or baking are great methods. Once cooked, shred or finely dice your protein into bite-sized pieces. This makes it easier for your dog to digest and enjoy. Next, we add complex carbohydrates for energy. Sweet potatoes, pumpkin, or brown rice are fantastic options. Cook them until tender and mash or dice them. Don't forget the power of vegetables. Steamed carrots, green beans, or peas add essential vitamins and fiber. Make sure they are soft enough and cut into small pieces. Now, it's time to combine your cooked protein, carbohydrates, and vegetables in a large bowl. Aim for a good balance. Circumflex gyros. Roughly half protein, a quarter carbohydrates, and a quarter vegetables. For healthy fats and added nutrients, drizzle a small amount of dog-safe oil like salmon oil or coconut oil. A teaspoon or two is usually sufficient for an average-sized dog. Always consult with your veterinarian before making significant changes to your dog's diet to ensure it meets their specific needs and any health considerations. With just a little preparation, you can provide your canine companion with delicious, nutritious meals that pave the way for a longer, happier, and healthier life. Happy cooking and happy tales.